Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to make a poster in Canva. So let's just begin. Alright, to make a poster in Canva, first of all what you have to do, you have to log in into your Canva account, which is actually simple process. So we are not going into that. And after logging in, you're going to see this dashboard on the Canva where you will see the different options for the different type of content creation. So here we are to make a poster. So we can simply search for the poster here, and I will simply click on search for poster, and now you'll be able to see different Canva templates that are pre-made and ready to use. So you can simply pick any one of this from here. All right, and as you can see here, there are some poster which has a crown on it, which actually means that they are actually the part of pro version, which simply means that we can't use them. All right, so we're gonna find something that we can use here. All right, so I think I would like to use this one, so I'm gonna simply click on that, and I would simply click on okay. So you can also see that we are having the different options here similar to the one that we have selected. So we can also select any one of these if we wanted to, but I think I'm gonna go with the one that we already have. All right, so we're gonna click on customize this template. So basically picking up the pre-made template and trying to modify it gives you the kickstart, and it actually saves up the time. So right now we're not going to modify this one. We're gonna simply add a new page, and we'll try to create something similar to this into our second page. Okay, so first of all I think we need to have this logo here. All right, so I'm gonna have this logo. I'll simply copy this with this text, and I'm gonna put it here by clicking on paste. All right, and after this, what do I need? I actually need to have some text, so I'm gonna click on the text here. All right, and I'm gonna add the text here. So let's go here with the heading. Let's just add the text here: special annual sale. Okay, now I have to actually copy the font, which is actually this one, TT interfaces. So I'm gonna go back here, and this is going to be TT interfaces. Perfect, and it is going to be 105, and I'm going to change the text color here. So this is going to be this text color. We're going to put it here. All right, and we're going to decrease the width here so that it can put the text on a new line. So I'm going to align this into the left side. Well, this is looking good now. All right, so this is what we need. Now we need to put this into a center, I guess. So we're going to put this something like this. Perfect. All right, let me just check the position here. Perfect. Okay, so now we also need this text here. So I'm gonna simply copy this text from here, and I'm gonna put it here, and we're gonna put this here. Okay, we need to do couple more thing here. Okay, you can see there is a difference in the space between the words. Into the different line, we have the less space here. So we actually need to go here, and we'll actually click on spacing, and we'll actually need to copy the value from here, and we're gonna go back, and we're gonna actually add the value here. So this is going to be this value. Perfect. All right, so I think now this is looking good. We're gonna put this center. Now the space between the first element and the last element is exactly the same. Okay, so now what we need to do, we actually need to have this icon. All right, so I can copy this icon, but I'm not gonna copy this. We're gonna look for this icon here in the elements. So we're gonna write down, let's say, QR code. We're gonna go into the graphics, and we're gonna pick any one from here that is related to our post. So maybe this one, but let's explore the other ones too. So I think I would actually like to go here with this one. I'm gonna put it here. We're gonna resize it. Okay, I think this is looking fine. This is looking fine. And we're gonna change the color here. So what are we going to have on the background color? This is going to be this color, and on our QR code color we're gonna have this color. All right, I think this is looking good. We have something similar here, and we also need to add this detail, but before that we're gonna add this detail here. But before that, I think we should add this image. So to add the image, we have the frame here actually. So I'm not gonna copy this. We're gonna simply look for the frames here. So we're gonna look for the frame, do all. We go into the frames, click on select, see all. And from here, I'm gonna pick any frame here that I think would be a great frame. So we're gonna try to find something similar. All right, so this is it. Maybe we're gonna go with this one. Yeah, I think this is the one that we need to put. We actually need to resize this. So we're gonna put it, let's say something here. We're gonna increase the size. All right, perfect. Now we're gonna add the image here, a special annual sale. Okay, now we're gonna look for the image that is related to the sales. So now we're gonna go into the elements again. We're gonna look for sales. We're gonna look for this into the photos. One thing here that all of these images are actually copyright free, but the ones that has the crown, we actually can't use them because they are the part of pro version. So we actually need to look for something that is free to use. All right, so I think we can go here. We can go here with this one. Okay, I'm gonna simply add this here and we're gonna change the position of it, or maybe we can use this one. This is looking better and I want to add both of these sides. Perfect. This is looking good, and we can also edit the image here. So I'm going to click on edit and I'm going to try to use the colors or the effect that is matching with our background color. Maybe this one or maybe this one. All right, so I think this one is looking good. All right, so now what else we need to do? We actually need to add this text. All right, so I think I will need to increase the size of this a bit. We're gonna put something like this. We're gonna decrease the size. All right, so I think this is looking fine. We can put it something like this. This is looking good. Or we can actually put this on the original position that we had. All right, so I think this is looking fine. Let's just change the color of it again. This is going to be two-tone, not this one. We're gonna go here with this one. And similarly, we can add the rectangle here. We're gonna write down rectangle and we're gonna put it here. All right, and I'm gonna change the position of this. So you're gonna go into the position. You can change the position of it from here, but also from the layers. Okay, so I'm gonna simply drag it before our rectangle. All right, I think now this is looking good. And what else we can do here? All right, we can add this box here. So I'm gonna copy this one. I'm gonna put it simply here. Perfect. I'm gonna put it here maybe, and we're gonna put it here, something like this. Let's just align it here. Okay, I can also add the shadow to this, but let's see if we have the option. All right, so now I think this is looking good, and we can actually put the image here as well. I'm gonna increase the size of it. Perfect. This is looking fine. We can actually do something like this. All right, so I think this is looking good. Let's just adjust the size of this, maybe to the this length. Yeah, I guess to the this length. All right, so this is looking fine. I'm gonna go here with this one. Okay, so after this, we do have the text here, and I can actually increase the size of this. So we're gonna increase the size of this. So let's increase the size of this. And after this, what do we have? We have this simple text. So we're gonna copy this text here. We're gonna add it here, and we're gonna try to copy these texts here. And you can also see these icons here. So these icons are actually easy to find. Okay, so we can simply find the icon for, let's say, phone icon, and we can look into this into the graphics, and we can simply pick, let's say, this one. So we can actually use all of these here. Okay, and we can simply put it here. All right, this is looking fine. We need to decrease the size of this. Let's just zoom it in. All right, so I think this is looking fine. Now you can change the color of this to this one. Perfect. Now what you need to do, we actually need to copy the text here. So we're gonna copy this and paste it here, and obviously we're gonna add our number here. So this is going to be, let's say, all right, something, the number here. All right, I'm gonna put it here. And in a similar way, what we can do, we can actually get another icon. So the second icon would be for the email. So I'm gonna add the email here. All right, so I think I would go here with this one, and I would actually copy the style of this icon. So we're gonna copy style, and I'm gonna put it here, and this is going to be Yeah, we're gonna go here with the black color, probably. Oh, I think it's a white color or it's actually transparent. All right, so we can adjust the color here. Probably this is looking fine. So we're gonna go back here and we're gonna change the color of this. So this is going to be this color. Perfect. And the similar way we can add our email here. So this is going to be name at email.com, and in the last what you can have is actually your address. So you can add the address icon now. All right. So we can add this one probably. So we're gonna add this one. I'm gonna copy the style and I will put it on this and we'll simply put it here. Maybe we can find a better icon for this, but right now we only have this one. So you can find the better icon for this, I guess. Or otherwise, what you can do, we can simply remove this and we can copy the icon from here. Let's say this, we're gonna go here with this one and also with the address. I'm gonna put it here. Perfect. We're gonna put it here and we can also resize the size of the icon. So we're gonna copy the style that we have created. We're gonna add it here. All right, so I think I need to resize this manually. All right, maybe a bigger one. Yes, now this is looking fine. We can put this into the center. I think this is looking good. Perfect. All right, so I think we can decrease the size of this maybe. So we can actually decrease the size of this. This is looking better. We can put this to here. We can put this to here and this one to here. Perfect. So this is how we can actually create a poster in Canva. Okay, so I think our version of this poster is also looking good. Obviously, it can be modified. It can look better, but right now in the limited time, I think this is looking great. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.